Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on an iPad. Valorant is a popular tactical shooter, traditionally played on personal computers. While there is a dedicated mobile version designed for iOS devices, including iPads, you also have options to play the full PC experience. We'll explore both the native mobile game and methods to stream the PC version directly to your tablet, offering you flexibility in how you enjoy the game. A direct way to play Valorant on your iPad is through Valorant Mobile, a distinct version built specifically for mobile platforms. This game is optimized for touch controls and offers a unique experience compared to its PC counterpart. You can download it directly from the App Store on your iPad, just like any other application. Make sure your iPad meets the game system requirements to ensure smooth performance and an enjoyable gameplay experience. If you prefer the full PC version of Valorant, cloud gaming is an excellent solution. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to access a high-end gaming PC in the cloud, streaming the game directly to your iPad. The game runs on their remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your tablet. A strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, is crucial for low-latency gameplay. An external controller or keyboard and mouse will enhance your experience. Another effective method to play the PC version of Valorant on your iPad is by streaming it from your own gaming computer. This approach leverages your existing PC's power. You'll need to install a streaming application, such as Steam Link or Parsec, on both your PC and iPad. Ensure both devices are on the same local network and your PC is running Valorant. For the best possible performance and minimal input lag, connecting your PC to your router with an Ethernet cable is highly recommended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.